CS2 unable to establish game connection with server. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about CS2's issue that is obviously connecting with the game servers. A lot of people have this issue nowadays that CS2 is out. There's a lot of server issues, people can't connect to it properly, etc., etc. So why does that issue arise and how can you fix it? So the top 3 reasons that this issue could arise for you is, first of all, you are going to make sure that your internet, okay, is set with a good DNS. So obviously you are going to go into your network and internet settings, make sure your DNS has proper options and everything. You can also reset your network to fix it, because obviously when it's not connecting with the servers, it could either be the issue with your network or it could be an issue with the servers that CS2 have according to your country. Now, if your country and region, other people can access the servers and not you, then obviously you're going to want to make sure to go ahead and check your firewall as well, because sometimes the firewall messes around with things as well. You can allow CS2 on the firewall and obviously troubleshoot your network, different server issues or different server denials, and just make sure to fix the preliminary issues that unable to connect to the server have. So yeah, like, there's nothing wrong with the game per se because it just came out. You're just going to want to make sure that your servers are fine. So just go ahead and you're going to clear the download cache as well from your Steam, and you're going to restart your Steam as well as your internet, and that should fix everything for you. So yeah, that is how you're going to enable connection on CS2 in the easiest way. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.